So what's up, you guys? It is February, which here on my channel means that we are starting with our unboxings, and sure enough, we're going to be starting off with our Boxycharm unboxing for the month of February 2021. Whew! So if you guys are excited to see what's inside of your boxes, or what you might get inside of your boxes, I should say, then let's go ahead and get diving into this. And as always, I will have all of the information that you need to know about Boxycharm, where to sign up, how to sign up, what the 3 boxes are, what the different levels of the boxes are, and what they cost, all down in the description box below. So just for anybody that is new to my channel, which I know so many of you guys know this already, but these 2 boxes are sent to me by Boxycharm. So because of that, they send me like a shipment tracking, but when they send it to me, it comes in like one big box, so I don't have any weight information as far as what they are separately, unfortunately. I'm sorry about that, but you guys also know that here on my channel I do also have my own Boxycharm subscription service that I do unbox as well. This month's theme better be about love. So first thing I see in my box is this right here. Not really sure what this is, but it says Prop 65 warning for California residents on the back. What is this? It's really cute. This is by Glamure. I love this little bag. Oh, they're brushes. And it comes with a set of, oh, what? How adorable. They are a set of 4 eye brushes. And look, they've got like little hearts on the inside. Come on, move around, come on. There you go. Another brand that did this during their Pac-Man collection, if you guys watch some of my tutorials, let me show you, is Wet n Wild. And they had their Pac-Man collection, and their handles had the same thing with the little glitter inside of them. I love it. I just love it. I think it's so cute. You've got a short shader brush, you've got an angled brush, a little crease brush, and then like a fluffy shader brush as well. I'm just sold because of these little handles here, and then I actually really like the bag. This is by the Beauty Crop. I thought this was MAC Fix Plus actually. And this is the Cocoa Gold Mist Hydrating Setting Mist. Looks like there's glitter in here. Not working. You're not working. What's going on? Well, this isn't working. Nothing will come out, but as you can see, I'm shaking it really quickly so you guys can see, there is gold glitter reflex in it. I don't know if it'll translate onto the skin. That's what I was hoping to see. Yeah, well, this isn't working. But anyways, that's what that is. The next thing I have here is by Tula Skincare. This is the So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. This is probiotic skincare. Powered by pink salt volcanic sand and witch hazel, this deeply exfoliating scrub helps purify the pores, minimize the look of blackheads. I thought maybe we'd have a little bit more makeup products so far. The next thing I have here is the Brow Bar. This is the Bombshell Brow Kit. Actually, I've used their brow kits before, and their brow powder is really good. I do enjoy that. Oh, this is in the shade Dark. The wax, the brow powders, and then a highlight shade. And then this little pencil looks like a brow pencil. Comes with tweezers and a spoolie, and then the brow powder. Let's see. So you've got the very deep shade, the medium brown shade, the wax, and then the highlight shade. Not bad. I would definitely say that this dark might be too dark for me, but I could see myself using this. I actually would be willing to try the wax with the dark brown powder. Again, I have tried products from the Brow Bar, and I've been very impressed. There is a brow product that I have from them that I believe is a brow powder also that I really do enjoy. I feel like it does work and it's long lasting. The last thing that's in my box is the Evio Beauty, and this is the Perfect Primer, a matte finish. Oh, okay. Here you have the product. Very soothing and soft. I'll give it a shot. I'll definitely see what it's like. It says it's a perfecting primer, so we'll have to definitely try it. And it's a matte finish, which I'm totally sold on. So the Brow Bar is a $40 retail value. The Tula Skincare is $32. The Beauty Crop Gold Mist Spray is $15. The Glamure is $29.95, which is their brush collection, and Evio Beauty is the Perfect Primer for $23. So that is everything that I got in my base box. Let's move into our premium box. Okay, so we are moving into the premium box, and I must say, I really do love the premium boxes. I don't know about you guys, but I've been a huge fan of these premium boxes. So let's move into it. The premium box, as you know, the base box has like the red on the inside, and then the premium box has the blue. So the first thing I have here is the card as well, and then some long number for the variation. Okay, so the first thing I see here is by Rodial, and this is the Soft Focus Glow Drops. This is Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. Say Rodial or Rodial? I think it could go, right? It's Rodial or Rodial. Oh, that is pink. That is a pink right there. It says, illuminate, glow, and be radiant with Salt Focus, oh, soft, not salt. So it does have a pink tint, but once I blend it, oh, it smells good. What was it called? It comes in like a pink liqueur bottle. This makes me sound like an alcoholic. Kinky, kinky, that's what it was. Oh, love that stuff still, it's so good. But that's what it kind of smells like. Okay, so it definitely doesn't have any glitter, which I really appreciate. It definitely leaves the skin illuminated. Do you see that? Like just how glowy my skin looks? I'm okay with it. Like it doesn't look pink. It just looks like it's got like a good glow. Do you see that? I kind of like it. Okay, next product I have here is by Elemis. And we have tried Elemis in the past before. I've talked about Elemis here on my channel because their prices tend to be quite high. Muscle-Ease Active Body Oil. Redefine the silhouette by using gently massaging techniques on the problem areas, such as the hips, thighs, buttocks, and the back of arms and inside knees. Did I break the cap? Or is it supposed to be that small? It feels very expensive, I guess I should say. Oh, it smells good. I'll give it a shot, but I definitely can't put this by my nightstand because my husband's gonna see this and then he's gonna get some ideas. Next thing I have here is by Farsali. This is by Farsali. This is the Rose Gold Elixir 24 Karat Moisturizing Gel Cream. This is supposed to be applied to the face and the neck, used daily, morning and night, and can be used before makeup for perfectly prepped skin. This is a very, very liquidy substance. Next thing I have here is the Tarte. This is the Man-Eater Voluptuous Mascara. And I think I've tried this before. Okay. Next up I have is the Bali Balm. This is the Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. I got this last month in my box. I actually have it opened already. It's good. It's lip balm. It works. So the next thing I have is the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner. This one has the pencil on one side and then the liquid on the other, which I also do have one right now. I think that's everything in my box, right? So the Farsali Rose Gold Moisturizer is $39 that it retails for. The Elemis Active Body Oil is $63.50. That's actually, in my opinion, quite inexpensive for some of the other Elemis products that we've received in the past. The Rodial is $60, or Rodial. That was $60 for the Glow Drops. That's quite expensive. The Tarte Man-Eater Mascara retails for $23, but I always see that thing on sale. The Tarte Double Take Eyeliner, $24. Again, I always see that on sale. And the Bali Lip Balm is $33. I was really hoping for more makeup. I was hoping for like an eyeshadow palette or blushes or lipsticks for the theme of love. Does that make sense? I'm kind of sad. Definitely not up there with some of the other boxes that I've received. I mean, I don't know. I really do like this. This was very, very much on par with Valentine's Day. And thank you all so much for spending time with me and coming back to watch these unboxings with me every month. If you guys are new, I hope you guys will take the time to subscribe down below. And make sure not to exit out of this video. Make sure to check out one of my other videos that I just recently posted. You guys have a wonderful evening, day, morning, whatever it is where you are right now that you're watching this. Just have a fabulous day or night. I will see you guys all in my next video, and thank you again for stopping by. Bye.